Hey guys, in this video, we are going to be checking out list of top 5 best self-defense gun on Amazon in 2022. A self-defense gun is a thing that every man should own, as well as one of the handiest tools in general. Defined simply, self-defense is protecting yourself from any threat to your health or well-being. The idea of self-defense is to stop the bad guy as soon as possible, right? Without hurting anyone else, of course. A gun is an option for home defense and self-defense. They are small, compact, relatively easy to shoot, easier than a shotgun, for example, and are made for close range. So, here are our top picks for self-defense gun for you to have at all times. We make this list based on our personal opinion and average research. For further information, you should check the links in description below. Okay, so let's get started with video.
Being a gun owner is not just buying a gun. You must always be prepared. When it's not on you, you want to know it's secure and accessible. Safes are not always accessible, especially in the dark. And locks are a nuisance to operate. Our mission is to bring you the perfect solution. Introducing ZOR-X, the new generation of gun storage. ZOR has developed a unique unlocking system, Rapid Dial. The dial counts the clicks and instantly recognizes the correct sequence. You don't need to start from a specific point, and even the direction that you begin to turn the dial doesn't matter. These two factors allow you to unlock your weapon even with zero visibility. Once unlocked, just charge your gun and you're ready. ZOR-X, the fastest way from locked to loaded. ZOR-X is caliber specific. When ZOR-X is locked, if someone tries to charge your gun, the locking mechanism will immediately expand, preventing the gun from being loaded. But when you need your firearm, it's ready.
This gun is inoperable. It is absolutely safe. I throw in a loaded magazine. Now I gotta go to work. Somebody's in my house. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, green light. And I'm ready to go to work.
This is an unscripted video of the ZOR. Put this in, and now with the magazine in.
It's locked.
It doesn't matter on the last turn how many times you turn it. So if we just go 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's automatically unlocked at that point. And just like that, my gun is now ready to fire. I got this because the kids are going to be old enough to where they can actually chamber around. I would absolutely love that.
So once you get home, you remove your firearm for your everyday carry, you put it on your nightstand, you can lock it with the ZOR-X, and have the peace of mind that no one can be able to get into it except for you. And then when you need to, you can quickly access it within seconds, charge it, eject the ZOR-X, and chamber around. Guys, this is just an awesome product. In fact, the California DOJ even approved it. So, if they're like it in California, that it's gotta be something pretty damn decent. I'm telling you, you're gonna love this product.
We have a lot of different holster options available on our website, buy.taser.com. Holsters really rely on personal preference, so you can take a look and choose what's best for you. In this video, I'm wearing the inside the waistband crossbreed holster here, and Jared has the outside the waistband Blade-Tech holster. One thing to remember when you're carrying your Taser device, whether it's in a bag, on your person, in your car, always have it in a holster.
When you're out there, or even out here, or here, safety is everything. The Saber 3-in-1 Defense Spray with Quick Release Keychain from the #1 trusted personal safety brand will help give you the confidence to enjoy every moment with peace of mind. Saber's industry-leading 3-in-1 defense formula combines pepper spray, CS tear gas, and UV marking dye to help police identify suspects, with up to 5 times more bursts than the competition and a 10-foot range for protection against multiple threats at a safe distance, and multiple color options to suit your style. And with an industry-exclusive in-house testing lab, featuring a key case with finger grip. This helps to ensure spray is pointing in the right direction and to assist with aim, and a quick release keyring for immediate access when you need it. Sabre guarantees its maximum strength formula on every product. So no matter where you go, what you do, or where life takes you, the Sabre Pepper Spray 3-in-1 with quick release keychain helps give you the confidence to live life your way. Sabre, make it safe.
Today, I'm going to show you the Police Stun Gun 519. It's a piece of professional defense equipment that's designed to defend. First, it has extreme stopping power with an impressive voltage charge for real protection. It uses squeeze and stun technology. The gun can be activated quickly by simply squeezing it. It's small and convenient at only 3 inches by 3.5 inches by 1 inch. It's comfortable with its deep finger grips and rubber coating to fit tight in your palm, which gives you complete control. It also comes with an ultra-bright LED flashlight. When shined into the eyes, the light can temporarily blind an attacker, making it easy for you to immobilize them with the stun gun. Inside is a convenient rechargeable battery. Simply plug it into a standard wall outlet to save money on batteries. It also comes with a heavy-duty holster with belt loop, so it's always at the ready. And finally, the Police Stun Gun 519 is made of the highest quality components and comes with a lifetime warranty. With the Police Stun Gun 519, you can feel better and safer.
3, 2. Oh! Wait, oh, no! Don't move, don't move, don't move. Eyes closed. All right, Jason, just spill it.
We have a gun that shoots pellets full of pepper spray.
There's no way this ends well, because when you pitched it to me, you're like, oh, it's like a paintball gun, but it does pepper spray. And I'm thinking, oh, pepper spray, we've been there before.
Yeah.
Then we open this thing.
And it's RoboCop's gun.
Are you kidding me? With the CO2 cartridges, and then I open up these pellets,
It's like getting shot with a jawbreaker.
and it's automatic? You got the...
Yeah. So this is from the Salt Supply Company.
This is from my nightmares is where it's from.
They're some of the practice rounds, but they're very hard, and they're filled with military-grade pepper spray.
This is home defense.
Yes.
This is get someone the hell out of your house.
But it's also non-lethal.
I'll tell you, I mean, this is gonna do damage though. I guess let's load the practice rounds.
Practice rounds?
Yeah.
All of them?
No, let's do half of them.
Okay.
All right, 7-ball mag. Oh wow, it really does, it loads just like a...
Like a paintball gun?
Well, no, like these like bullets. And then I guess we have to pressurize this.
Yes.
All right, we'll get eye protection as well. And then you pull it out, and then it screws all the way out. And you load this guy in.
Mm-hmm.
At this point, we got the CO2 in there. All right, here we go. Oh, it just did the CO2.
That was the CO2 cartridge
Now.
getting pierced.
Oh God. All right, we'll just shoot it into the trees. Gun is live. Holy sh!
How you feeling?
Scared? They fire so freaking fast. You don't need to arc it. It just right down the sight.
Yeah. Now we need to kick it up a notch and go with live rounds.
Oof. All right, let's give it a go. The moment that puffs, I want you in there. I'll pop up. All right, here we go. All right, it's live. It's coming at your face in 3, 2.
Oh! Oh, no!
Oh.
Oh! Oh!
Wait, stop, don't move. Eyes closed. Oh, geez, it did puff on you. All right.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's all over your face.
Oh my God!
All right, are you okay?
Yes, it sucks. It sucks. My eyes are burning.
Oh my God, my eyes burning getting near you. Oh my God.
This is a drag.
What was it like?
It was just like immediate blindness and stinging.
Okay, so what's weird is I only saw a little puff, and then you just stood up. It didn't even look like much of your face was in there.
The moment I stood up, I couldn't see.
Wow.
Now it's your turn.
All those years of duck hunt finally paid off.
Don't miss.
Oh!
Hey! Hey!
Hey!
Oh,
Yes.
I'm breathing it now. I should have done
Sucks,
that.
right? Get the water. Get the water. That's no good.
All right, quick. I'm gonna rate this as highly effective unless somebody has put together cardboard body armor and is wearing eye protection. Holy!
Very effective.
Okay.
Well done, Salt Supply Company.
I gave zero credibility to this as an actual home defense weapon until we did this test. And now there's no question, a single person in a hallway coming at you, it's over. Bop, 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 bop. Even if you miss them, that stuff exploding on the walls next to them, you cannot walk into that and not be instantly
You're
blinded.
immediately blinded. Nobody's gonna go into it prepared for that.
Also, gotta say, the heft is amazing, the feel of it is amazing, locking that magazine in is amazing.
It's pretty satisfying, right?
Yeah. Wow. All right.
Okay, now with healthy armor.
Nope.
Come on.
Nope.
What if I get you right in the ass?
No, don't.